leader in the India bloc has spelt out what has so far been in the realm of speculations or pitched by party peers, not the people in question. The TMC chief Mamata Banerjee has set the cat among pigeons by making an open declaration that she is ready to take over the reins of the opposition alliance if given a chance. She says that those who are leading the show that she has conceptualized by her are now unable to run it, and therefore she is ready to pitch in to ensure its smooth functioning. Now, while this is not the first time that such a buzz has taken place over the regime change, what lends credence to it is the support that has come in from several of the Congress party's allies. From the NCP SP to the Samajwadi Party and the Sena UBT, all say that in Mamata we trust.
असं की ममता बनर्जी एक या देशाचे फॉरेन नेते आहेत, त्यांच्याकडे क्षमता आहे. आज देशाच्या पार्लमेंटमध्ये त्यांनी जे लोक निवडून पाठवले ते अतिशय कर्तव्यगार, जागरूक आणि कर्तव्य.
Mamata Didi is an absolute integral part of the India Alliance. She's one of the tall leaders of India. And in a vibrant democracy, there's a very big role and responsibility for the opposition. So clearly, if she wishes to take more responsibility, we'd be overjoyed.
पुरानी नेता हैं, लंबा अनुभव है, पूरी तरह सक्षम है और हमारे दल की और उनसे व्यक्तिगत सब तरह के रिश्ते अच्छे हैं और ये बाकी इंडिया गठबंधन के सारे लोगों को मिलकर तय करना है क्या होना है, लेकिन वो हमारी नेता हमारे साथ आती हैं तो बहुत अच्छी बात है.
उन्होंने अपनी बात रखी है और क्योंकि वो वेस्ट बंगाल में एक सक्सेसफुल उन्होंने मॉडल रखा है भारतीय जनता पार्टी को वहां से दूर रखने का और अच्छी वेलफेयर स्कीम्स लागू की हैं, तो कहीं ना कहीं उनका इलेक्शन का एक्सपीरियंस हो, उनकी फाइटिंग स्पिरिट हो, वो उस हिसाब से अपना इच्छा जाहिर कर रही हैं.
So, does this vote of confidence in Mamata Banerjee's leadership abilities automatically translate into no trust vote in the Congress's role as the big brother in the alliance? Because while the India bloc does not have any declared leader till now, the Congress party, being the largest party, has often been perceived as the coalition's de facto leader. But with prominent leaders like SP MP Ram Gopal Yadav now openly reiterating that Rahul Gandhi is not the leader of opposition outside Lok Sabha, is this a direct threat to the Raebareli MP?
नहीं, राहुल गांधी तो अब भी इंडिया गठबंधन के नेता नहीं, चाहे लोकसभा का चुनाव हो चाहे विधानसभा के चुनाव हो. कांग्रेस ने कहीं अच्छा परफॉर्म कर नहीं पाया. कहीं अगर लोकसभा के चुनाव में इनकी सरकार है, हिमाचल प्रदेश में 4 की 4 सीटें.
इंडिया अलायंस का मतलब सिर्फ कांग्रेस नहीं है, इंडिया अलायंस का मतलब सिर्फ समाजवादी पार्टी नहीं है. इंडिया अलायंस का मतलब है जितने भी घटक दल हैं हमारे, उन सब का और उन सबकी सहमति से ही कोई लीडर बनेगा. अभी समाजवादी पार्टी किसी के पक्ष में नहीं है, जो लीडर हैं वो हैं. कल कौन बनना चाह रहा है, इस पे बैठ के इंडिया अलायंस के सभी दल, चूंकि जो 2 महत्वपूर्ण चुनाव होने वाले हैं उत्तर भारत के, वो बिहार का है और दिल्ली का है. इन 2 स्टेट के चुनाव में बहुत अच्छी रणनीति के साथ इंडिया अलायंस को चुनाव लड़ना पड़ेगा और बीजेपी को एनडीए को हराना पड़ेगा.
Once again, a no confidence motion has been passed by TMC against Congress party. We have seen that in the parliament session too. TMC leaders said that after the loss in Maharashtra and Haryana, now Mamata Banerjee says that she formed the India Alliance, but what can she do if the state of affairs can't be managed by the leadership, which is Congress? This is a direct attack on the Congress and the lack of faith she has in the Congress party. She also said that if given an opportunity, she would lead the India Alliance and take everyone along and ensure smooth functioning. This is a direct attack on Congress's leadership. It shows that there is no mission in India Alliance. It is all about ambition and position.
My colleague Atul is joining us on the broadcast with the details of what this means for the India bloc. Atul, the kind of statements that have been coming in, first it was from the TMC declaring Mamata Banerjee as the leader of the India bloc, and now several other parties also coming in. Is it a clear indication that the allies are isolating the Congress?
See, yesterday Sharad Pawar has also commented on this issue. He has shown confidence in the leadership of Mamata Banerjee. He said that it would be a good gesture if Mamata Banerjee does the leadership of India bloc, because she is a very much experienced leader and she has proved at several times that she has the quality of a great leadership. So, on the other hand, Samajwadi Party leaders of Maharashtra had also shown their support of Mamata Banerjee if she wants to do the leadership of Maharashtra. But as far as Maharashtra Congress is concerned, the state leadership of Maharashtra Congress are trying to say that Mamata Banerjee is a leader of a regional party which is concentrated only in Maharashtra, only in West Bengal, but it doesn't have any impact all over the country. So as far as opposition is concerned, the national party which has the coverage of all over the India is only Congress, and its leader only Rahul Gandhi can give strong leadership to the India bloc all over the India. So there is a big difference and argument on their hand going on in the India bloc parties. On one side, a big leader like Sharad Pawar is supporting the leadership of Mamata Banerjee, but the Congress and the other smaller parties are having their arguments on this issue.
Okay, all right. So are they going to accept Mamata Banerjee as the leader of the India bloc, and what would be the role of the leader in this opposition bloc? That remains a question.